You want to live freely and still be loyal. I don't know what that means. But when I see you living freely, I'm not comfortable with that. I'm going to speak up. And if I speak up and you still can make changes to it, then we'll know where we'll go from there. But what I'm trying to say here is that I think everything is good over here. I think everything is perfect over here. I mean, I'm not even really think deeply into what you're saying because I don't see it like that.
I don't even think it's deep. That's what you're not. It's like, it's so hard to speak to you because you're not understanding. Bro.
Bro?
Even right now, yeah.
Who's your bro?
You are. Even right
not a
now,
bro.
you just said to me, yeah, and what do I do about that? You need to sit down, have a meeting with yourself and think about, do I ask you that? When you say things to me, yeah,
What's
do
that?
I ever ask you anything you say to me? Even
I
if
was not even done. We'll continue.
That's okay. Do I ever ask you, and what do I do about that? Guess what, yeah? Because you're asking me for something so big, which is forever, I think about how can I fix this? What do I do about this? How can I change this for her? You'll be sitting there opening your mouth telling me, what can I do about that? It's rubbish. Guy, I'm sorry.
Guy, what's all this bro, guy?
So, I'm sorry if you feel like...
What's the nonsense you're saying?
I'm sorry if you feel like what I'm saying is not fair, yeah, but it's just like, mate, it's not even a deep thing, yeah. You say things to me, and I'm like, rah, okay, I didn't see that, I didn't know that, I'll deal with it accordingly. You'll be telling me, oh, and what can I do about that, or what should I do about that? So
I asked
give me
that.
a chance, and just give me a chance to finish.
Can I tell you why I asked that?
And my thing is this year, I don't even think them situations are deep. I actually think they're cool. And in England where I live here, they're actually super cool. And I think you should just be open to me having those same situations. You see how many female friends I have. You see how much I'm out with them. You see how much I spend time with them. You see how close they are to me. But you were telling me that you had an issue with that. So I was like, okay, do you know what? I'm going to tone it down. And now I'm looking at you and how you behave, and I'm thinking, nah, I'm not going to tone it down because these are no girls that I'm sleeping with. I would never cheat on my partner anyway.
Yeah, but it's okay for you to spend like 8 hours in the car.
It was never 8. I actually said 3 to 4. You keep saying 8. I'm just confused.
Okay, 3 to 4 hours. That's okay.
Yes, in my real life, yeah, that's okay.
Inside the car after clubbing. I understand.
So me, I'm starting to think, I'm looking at you and I'm thinking, okay, so this person that was asking me to cut this, cut that, cut this, cut that, this person doesn't move like somebody that deserves that. So, and that's not in any disrespectful way. It just means that, okay, like, we will be happier in our relationship if we just have our relationship at a level where we really like each other, we're falling in love with each other, we love each other, and we're dating, but it's not too serious. It will become super serious. But maybe by that point, you know me really well. You know what I like, what I don't like. I know you really well. I know what you like and what you don't like. Because obviously, yeah, I feel like this is like your first serious rodeo. I think you've had serious relationships before, don't get me wrong, but this is different. You spoke to me about somebody that you were dating was in a different country, you were in a different country. It's completely different. If I come to Lagos for 2 months, I'm not saying you were acting, I'm just giving you an example, so don't mix up what I'm saying. You can act for me for 2 months, and I'll leave for 2 months, and you go back to however you want to behave.